Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious African stew. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, all finely chopped. Choose about 1.5 pounds of your favorite protein, like beef or chicken. For the base, have 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes ready. Finally, prepare your spices, including 2 teaspoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, to build a flavorful foundation. Next, let's begin the cooking process. Start by browning your protein in 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat until it's nicely seared on all sides, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the protein, then add your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger to the pot, sautéing for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Stir in the tomatoes and spices, letting them cook for 10 minutes to deepen their flavor. Finally, add 4 cups of broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 1 hour. To elevate your stew, consider adding more ingredients for texture and flavor. Incorporate 2 cups of diced root vegetables, such as carrots or sweet potatoes, during the last 30 minutes of simmering for added heartiness. For a vibrant touch, stir in 3 cups of fresh spinach or collard greens during the final 10 minutes. A 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter or 2 tablespoons of red palm oil can introduce a distinctive richness. Always taste and adjust seasonings with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes to your preference. Now for the best part, serving your magnificent African stew. This flavorful dish is traditionally enjoyed hot with a starchy accompaniment. Consider serving it alongside fluffy white rice, a mound of fufu, or even some crusty bread to soak up all the delicious sauce. For a fresh burst of color and aroma, sprinkle a handful of chopped fresh cilantro or parsley over each serving. This hearty and comforting meal is truly a wonderful way to share the rich culinary traditions of Africa with everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.